Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This video will be over the Alice drawers versus the Dupe. If you would like to see a comparison between the two, just keep on watching. So before I go into details, I wanted to show you the current setup of my beauty room. I have 4 of the Dupes, 2 of them on the far left stacked on top of each other, and I have 2 on the right holding my computer. I also put them on top of bed risers that I got from the Container Store. I use bed risers because I wanted them to be the same height as the Ikea drawers. Now I'm going to show you what my setup was before I got the Ikea drawers. So here was my setup before I purchased the Ikea drawers. Reason why I got these Dupes were because I didn't live near Ikea, and to ship anything to me, it would have been over $100. So last year they family built the Ikea where I live, and of course I wanted to purchase the actual Ikea drawers. So here are the drawers set out. The 2 left ones are from the Ikea, and the far right is the Dupe. The Ikea drawers have 2 sizes. One has more depth than the other. The Dupe only has 1 size drawer for all 5 of them. As you see, the Ikea drawers are longer, and the Dupe from Michaels is a little bit wider. So you get more space with the Ikea drawers. If you don't have a lot of makeup, I would recommend going ahead and getting the Dupe. But if you want more space, get the Ikea drawers. I also noticed that the Ikea drawers are way more sturdier. The drawers from the Dupe, I've had to nail them back together and glue them because they do fall apart over time. So these are the drawers standing up, so you can see the difference. And here are the drawers put together next to each other. As you see, the Ikea drawer is taller. And you can see right here that the Michaels Dupe is just a little bit wider, just a little bit, not too noticeable. And here is another angle. So my recommendation would be to go ahead and get the Ikea's drawers because they're not that more expensive, especially if you live near Ikea. They're just more sturdier, and since they're not that much expensive, I will recommend just going ahead and get them and not fooling with the Dupes, because with this Dupe I've had to nail them back together and do all kind of things to repair the doors from falling off. I wanted to make sure I get the angle where they are apart and you can clearly see the difference. And here is another angle that shows you the difference of height for these drawers. On the left is the Dupe, and on the right is the Ikea drawer. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, bye.